Hey boys and girls, this is your Show What You Know for Problem and Solution. So we have a final story that I'm going to read to you. And just like we've been practicing, you're going to need a red and blue crayon at the end and a pencil so you can underline and circle. All right, let's listen to this story. Jack was at his grandma's house playing with his brother Sam. They were throwing the ball back and forth. Jack threw the ball really hard and crash! It hit a lamp and broke. Jack and Sam were scared they might get in trouble. Jack did not know what to do. Grandma came into the room. She looked upset. Sam was crying, but Jack decided to tell the truth. He had broken the vase. His grandma was glad he told the truth, and together they cleaned up the mess. All right, you're going to need your red crayon, and I would like you to highlight the characters' names. Pause your video while you highlight the characters' names. Now I'd like you to get your blue crayon. I'd like you to find a setting word in this story. I'll give you a hint. It's in the very beginning. Use your blue crayon to highlight the setting. Press pause while you look for it. Then I need you to get your pencil. We're going to find the problem of this story. I think it's somewhere in this section. Can you underline where it says the problem? Pause your video while you look for it. And then you're going to use your pencil again, and we're going to circle the solution that happened here at the end of this story. What was the good solution that happened? Pause your video while you look for it. If you need help answering these questions, go back to the beginning of the video and play it again, or try to read it yourself. Good luck, boys and girls.